there, this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here to share an annual habit to help you get and stay organized. Every year, it's a good idea to go through your files and sort of clear them out. On an ongoing basis, we may stick a lot of things in our files that we just don't know if we need, so we just collect them. And over the course of the year, they may gather and fill up some of our space. Maybe we keep monthly statements from our credit cards, or the water bills, or the gas bill, or whatever the case may be. But a lot of what we keep, and that might be handy during the year, is not something we need to archive and keep forever. So once a year, just go through your files, remove anything that is not associated with your tax return, or that does not have long-standing value, like your end-of-life paperwork, for example, that we always want to keep. Things like statements, schedules, take a look at your manuals. Maybe you have some for appliances you no longer own. And just free up space. A lot of people do this at the end of the year when they're getting ready to prepare their taxes, which is a great habit. If there are things you want to keep for archive purposes, but you don't really need them right next to your desk or in your close by filing cabinet, those can go into a cardboard banker's box or an out-of-the-way filing cabinet to have on hand for reference for just in case. If you clean out your files once a year, you will find that they will never become so overrun that the task feels daunting. So try this annual habit to help you get and stay organized.